going to be making an all-natural soap today. This is going to be a goat's milk soap and using goat's milk from our own farm. And I have that mixed in with my oils. I'm going to be doing a 1-to-1 solution with rainwater and my lye, and then basically doubling it, do a 2-to-1 total liquid content, and that other portion is the goat's milk. So that is in my oils. It's at the bottom right now, but you'll see it when I mix it up. So this is kind of a Thieves type soap. I made this years ago, or actually kind of a reverse Thieves. So I made this years ago and my sister really likes it, wanted me to make it again. So I'm going to go ahead and do another batch of it. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to call it yet, but it has, this one has clove, rosemary, eucalyptus, tea tree, and then a variety of citrus scents. So typically, if you're doing some sort of like cleaner, you have the clove and all that is the highest, and then the mint, and then the citrus. But with cold processed soap, you need to have that as the base, so you flip that around, and I have the clove as the smallest amount because it does have a low usage rate, and then all the citrus at the top because those don't last as well. So on the citrus, I'm going to be using Litsea, Orange Valencia, lemon, and lemongrass. So a really, really nice scent blend. And I have that mixed. It looks kind of murky because I have gold Brazilian clay in there. So typically when I make a natural soap, I like to have some type of clay to anchor or help anchor it. And I go ahead and mix it in with my essential oils, and then I pour it all in together. For this, I'm going to be making 2 loaves, and I'm going to fragrance 3/4 of the batch, and then the other 1/4 is going to be mixed in with some cocoa powder to have some nice brown, and then I will do a hanger swirl. I will be pouring off, because of the extra weight of the goat's milk, I'm going to be pouring off about 5 ounces or so into an individual mold for something else. So let's go ahead and get started.